Hello, hello, it's Mana back at it again with another reaction. Today we're watching Chainsaw Man episode 4. I'm very much looking forward to it. I am wondering how they survived because I don't think Pal is dead. I am hoping slightly that the cat somehow survived. That'd be a nice touch, but not too hopeful here. And I wonder if they're gonna get in a lot of trouble for all the mess they did in the town. So, without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, I don't know, do whatever you want, and let's get into it. Oh god. Ew. Which brings me to the question again. What does she eat now? Does it have to be from the head though?
猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこ
い。命は平等に軽い。たかが猫じゃん。じゃあなぜ走る？なぜ人間を探す？
I guess that's when she got caught.
つけるため。
Oh.
バカみたいな理由じゃ。血は好きじゃん。味も匂いも死を感じるのも。それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて気持ちがいい。
The cat survived. Let's go. It was in the cage. I forgot about that detail.
なぜわしを助けた？ウニを殺そうとしたのに。
'Cause boobs. Bruh.
バカみたいな理由じゃな。
I mean, it worked out. His life goal already achieved. I mean, what is the rest? What is the rest of the series gonna be about? Oh, is it Makima? What is this? Are they gonna? Oh, I thought they were gonna eat the cat at this point. What the hell is that? What the hell? Oh god. And it makes noises. Can it speak? I don't want to hear this. I have a very big disgust of worms. I hate worms. Can he regrow his arm? Oh, right. Ew! Wow. You had a lover. What about you disappear from my sight? But how did she even get his arm? Like, did she shoot something? Ow. I guess that's how she got his arm. Somebody come in to help, please.
たかが胸を揉むためにこんな戦えるのか。
Apparently so. I'm sure it's deeper than that, but this is the main drive here. It's the worm boobs for me. I cannot. Oh god. So deep. Everybody calling him a dog, like sheesh. He was so close. Your dream is not any better, okay? Stop judging.
バカみたいな理由じゃない。
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
Is there a plan here? How did he cut? With his head? Fair enough. She's still disgusting. Please get this out of my sight. Oh, gonna tie her up with her hubby's guts. I guess that's romantic? Ow, 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 ow. Oh, God.
悪魔じゃ。
Still going. Oh, oh, God, no. By the hair. I guess that's an epic headbutt he got there. Oh, oh no. Oh, God. Where is the help? Makima? Oh. Wow. Oh, it was a leech. Even worse. New people. Pretty. Do they know what happened? I wonder if Denji's gonna keep it a secret. She could get killed if he says the truth. Hmm. Hmm. But does he heal from this? Suspicious but good. Oh no. Frick. Mm. He's changing people's lives. He's still making a good impact even though that's not his goal. Oh, he dies too.
お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら今回は見直してやる。
What is it exactly? Like, listen to everything you say? I mean,
頭に入れといてやな。安心してくれ。てめえと同じぐらい。俺、マジでやっからさ。どーんと期待しといてくれ。
I'm still curious about his teeth. Where are his teeth like that?
とりあえず敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
ああ無罪だったじゃろ。わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。あくまでも個人で使えるものは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵。利用するだけです。
Gotta make sure you look good for Bay.
どうぞ。
She probably knows everything. I have a feeling she just knows everything. Yeah, she looks suspicious. Look at that reflection. I don't trust her, and I don't know why.
そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。またコウモリ昼からとともに銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上
Gun
です。
plush.
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
わかりました。
では、失礼します。
She knows, bro. You're not selling it.
頭が柔らかくなった。デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
まさか何も変わってないですよね。俺は。
That look of hers. So much better with the hair down. Why is the animation so good for this scene? I don't know. It's very, very satisfying. Such a peaceful morning. Sheesh. Something is bound to happen. And how does it stay straight? Oh, okay. It just happens like that. Okay. Oh. Is it power? Apparently. Oh!
狭い家じゃの。
Oh no. She's living here too? Poor man.
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
Poor man. He didn't know what he was getting into.
私が早川くんを一番に信用しているからだよ。
Uh huh.
ずっとこっちに
She got everybody under a leash.
心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって言ってたから。
I don't know about that statement though. But she came with her cat.
野菜は嫌いじゃ。はい。
What? What? Why are you throwing this on the walls?
野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ。悪魔。
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。くせえんだよ。
泥はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせえんだよ。
なんちゃうな。人間は繊細じゃのう。
How did she live at the headquarters? I mean, you did the same thing.
野菜も残すし。あ、おい、クソ悪魔。てめえのクソにこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Oh?
あ？
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。揉め。
Oh? Is it gonna happen though? Sheesh.
むめむめにゃーこを助けたのがひともみ、コウモリを殺したのでふたもみ、そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので三もみじゃ。胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃな。うぬの頑張りに報いての三もみ、ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
I don't think he cares about the quantity at this point. Is he gonna survive this? All of a sudden she's an angel? We don't even get to see it. Okay. I mean, I'm not a pervert, I swear. I just wanted to make sure he got to his goal. Well. Apparently Denji got to his goal. Congratulations, Denji. The cat is alive. Pao is alive. They all live together. Honestly, not much to complain at this point. That was a good episode. I liked it. Animation was crisp. It looked beautiful. It was very satisfying. I don't know what the next art is gonna be, but I'm looking forward to it. I'll be reacting to it next week at some point. Expect my uploads around on Wednesdays or Thursdays. We'll see how we can manage, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.